a white bitch, ayy, with some 50 lovers. I got like 6 chains, and they all go. I need a power pot, power pots and stoves, so my bitch can cook it. I call her Betty Crocker.